go on a test and run. But first, wait, no, that was weak. We gotta do that again. Let's go on a toast and run. But first, that's better.
Today's run outfit.
Okay, I wouldn't call this like hail, but there's like frozen rain or frozen snow. I'm getting pelted in the face. And it kind of hurts. The casquette is very much, oh my god, that feels icy. The casquette is very much needed because it's like blocking it from my eyeballs at least a little bit. Into the lake. Also, the hood has come up. It feels like mini hail right now. It's coming down.
So this is probably the craziest weather I've ever ran in. But can you say you ran in a snowstorm?
You can't even see my footsteps from earlier. No hurry.
Also, woo! We did 10K!